Are you looking to enhance your makeup skill? Our beginners guide to makeup do's and don'ts got you covered. Here I shared some great essential tips. Learn these essential tips and tricks for creating good looks while avoiding some common mistakes. So if you're seeing this face for the very first time, my name is Pamela. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So here are the tips, beginner friendly tips, guaranteed tips that will help you to improve in your makeup application. As a beginner, there is no point of you buying high-end products. There are good Nigerian brands, drugstore products that are good on your client because there is no need of you investing in something that is expensive when you know you're a beginner. People are getting to know you. People have not even known you. What are you using that product for? I bet you are buying because others are buying. It's not making sense. You understand? You can't buy products of, let me say for instance, 70,000 or 80,000, and when you want to do makeup on somebody, the person is telling you I'll pay you 35. Is it making sense? When you know you're a beginner, there's no point in investing in high-end products. Buy Nigerian brands, they are good ones. You can make your research, right? So the next point here is invest in brushes and sponges. Don't ever use your hand to place foundation or concealer on your client's face. Okay? Yes, please. And always remember to wash your brushes. People forget a lot to wash their brushes because when you remember brushes is when you want to do a makeup on somebody. Be like, oh, okay, I'm not wash my brushes. Though. Always wash your brushes because dirty brushes give bacteria to the skin. So you have to do that. Wash your brushes. So my next point here is always choose the right shade of foundation for your clients. Let it not be too dark, let it not be too light on the person, but let it be the exact skin color of that person. Don't change the person's entire look. That's not what you're doing. All right, your own is to enhance beauty, not to change the person's face. Please take note. Next point here I will mention is always moisturize the skin, and know products that are used for oily skin and products that are used for dry skin. All right, don't just place products because you're placing. Read what is written on the products. That will help you. Okay. Yeah, my next point again, use a good face wash to remove your makeup. Don't sleep in your makeup. I'm talking to you, all you makeup lovers. Don't try it, don't do it. Don't sleep in your makeup, please. And my last point here will be practice and have fun as a beginner. Don't be afraid to try new things, right? Yeah, so I hope these few tips I have listed here will be helpful for you out there in creating beautiful looks. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media platforms. Check my description box to see my handles. Okay, thank you. See you guys in my next video. Bye.